It is one of the dangers when the weather gets this cold. An apartment filled with carbon monoxide killed one young girl today, and it sent another girl to a hospital.
It happened early this morning at an apartment building in Albany Park. Our Sade Gray spoke to firefighters and a neighbor next door.
Devastation for one family after a 10-year-old girl died from what the fire department believes are high levels of carbon monoxide inside of one of these apartments. This horrible death sits heavy on neighbors' hearts.
1713 has a bona fide deceased, the minor.
Police say inside they found a 10-year-old girl unresponsive. She was taken to Swedish Hospital where she died. A 12-year-old was also inside the house and was taken to the hospital in serious condition. Chicago Fire says they later found the kids were exposed to high levels of carbon monoxide. Readings were found at 300 ppm, or parts per million, inside the unit. For reference, the World Health Organization recommends levels indoors be below 9 ppm. Chicago Fire posting on social media this morning that January is a busy time because of fires and carbon monoxide related deaths like this one. The fire department calls it a silent killer.
There is no sight or smell to it, so you can have a small leak in your furnace or in your kitchen somewhere that can be undetected, and you're in a confined area that can actually build up the CO carbon monoxide levels in the house and cause the deaths.
One neighbor, Tina Carroll, says the family has lived in the apartment for years.
As they're going through this journey, which is a very bad one, I mean, this is about the worst as it can get in a family when you lose a family member, especially a child.
This is a horrible reminder to make sure you have a functioning carbon monoxide detector inside of your home. It's unclear if there was a working detector inside of this apartment. Reporting in Albany Park, Sade Gray, CBS News, Chicago.